Hi, I'm Diana. Today we're talking all about my favorite lipsticks, the same lipsticks that everybody always asks about in the comments, and some of them have been discontinued. So I want to show you their replacements today, and we're going to talk about whether they work or not, or whether I'm going to have to find new favorites to recommend to you, because the ones that I've recommended are not available. So we're going to start with what are the 4 colors that I love from MAC. Right now I'm not wearing anything on my lips because I wanted to show you that my natural lip color is a light pink that is barely there. And it's very hard to see with my hair being this weird faded out color that I'm actually quite cool toned. This hair color is faded because I'm allowing my grays to grow out and I'm not touching this portion, so it's kind of a reddish, warmish color. I probably should tie my hair back for this demonstration, but oh well. All right, these are the colors that I use from MAC. This is Velvet Teddy. This is just a very light neutral. Velvet Teddy is still available. Then my favorite warm neutral that's a little bit deeper is Mocha. Mocha is the one that is devastating for it to be discontinued. I really am sad about this one. This is all I have left of this stick. Mocha is a wonderful warm nude, and they've replaced it with Cafe Mocha. I have no idea what it looks like. It's still in the box. We're going to try it. Another favorite of mine is MAC Russian Red. Now, Russian Red is still actually available, but they have reformulated it. And I'd really like to just try the new formula and let you know how that is. And then because I can go warm or cool depending on the makeup and the clothes that I wear, I like to have a cool neutral on hand. And my cool neutral that I liked was Twig. Twig is also discontinued. See how there's a little bit of a rosiness to it, but it's also a little bit gray. I know that sounds strange, but it's very muted, a muted rose. And they have replaced this with Twig Twist. I have no idea what this looks like either. We're also going to try this. We have 4 lip colors, and I wanted to also point out that I sometimes like Spice Lip Pencil from MAC. Spice is a warm brick rose. I will have to show you all of these individually. I'd like to start with Velvet Teddy as like my basic light pink neutral that I like to wear. Velvet Teddy, and we're going to contrast that with my lip color by maybe doing half first. I don't know if you can really see this, but it adds polish and not a lot of color. There, adds a little bit of pink. There's Velvet Teddy, a finished look. And here's my lip color, Invisible. Let's call my lip color Invisible Color. Okay, now I can finish the look. Okay. Velvet Teddy is a wonderful everyday pink that adds color to my face, but it doesn't take any attention away. It just makes me look more finished and more polished. Velvet Teddy, nice neutral. Okay, let's talk about Twig. Twig is a polarizing color. So now I'm going to remove Velvet Teddy, and I'm going to let my lip color calm down, and we're going to go over Twig and Twig Twist. Here we are back to my natural lip color, Invisible Color, and we're going to put the old Twig color on this side. This is my right side. I don't know how it's going to come across on camera. It's surprisingly difficult to put lipstick only on one side of your mouth. Here's Twig. Pretty. Pretty, rosy, cool, Invisible Color. You can see that Twig is a deeper color than the Velvet Teddy. I love all of these for different applications. And right now, as I'm wearing lilac, I love Twig. Twig Twist, here we go. I haven't even looked at it. Let's see. Aha, here we go. Twig Twist, it doesn't look the same. It doesn't look the same at all. In fact, I think I might want to do a little test on my hand first. Here is Twig, original Twig. Hate to waste it like that. There isn't much left. And here is Twig Twist. You know what? I think I might like it. I'm excited about this. It seems to be not as purple. You see that? Redder, purple. I think I'm gonna like it. Twig on this side, Twig Twist on this side. This looks nearly the same, except Twig Twist feels better. Is it matte? Maximal Matte Lipstick. It says that it's matte, but it doesn't wear as matte as the original Twig. I think I actually really like this. I gotta say, I like this reformulated Twig Twist. Very happy with it. I'd say these colors are nearly identical on my lips. I don't know why they came out so different on my hand. Maybe I'll see it in the camera later. But in real life, I don't see the difference. How about you? What say you? You see difference? I don't see the difference. Twig. Beautiful, beautiful replacement with Twig Twist. I'm super happy about that. Now I should change into a warmer top, or at least put a warmer scarf on to try Mocha, and maybe something neutral to try the Russian Red. Here we are in a little peachy blouse, perfect for a Mocha demonstration. Oh, Mocha, how I will miss you. I certainly hope this replacement works. Here's the natural lip color. Well, probably missed a spot or two. It's very hard to keep removing lipstick. You feel like pretty soon, will I have any lip skin left? Only half. Self-control here. Self-control. A beautiful, neutral, warm, gorgeous lip color. Here we go. Mocha on this side. Nothing on this side. Nothing on this side. Mocha on this side. See how that just warms me right up? But it also doesn't steal from my face. It only enhances my face. I love lip colors like that. Except for with Russian Red, I want it to steal. But, you know, for most everyday applications, I do not want a lipstick to steal from my face. Let's see what this replacement looks like. I sure hope it's good, because I'm almost out of my Mocha lipsticks. I hope it's good. I know it looks just like the Twig I just showed you. It's very close, but it's warm this time. Warm. I love these new formulations. They feel great. But how's the color? I can't see. I have old eyes. Do you have old eyes like me? Yeah, it's slightly glowier, but I can't see the difference in color. Can you? New Mocha? Mocha Twist? No, Mocha, Cafe Mocha. Cafe Mocha, old Mocha. I love him. I love him. I don't see any difference in color. I love the way this new one wears. It feels softer and more moist, which I love. I hope it wears as long as the old matte lipsticks that were, to be truthful, they were a little bit crusty feeling. So you had to be careful with them and dot them on. You had to use lip balms, but I feel like I could just wear this one by itself without any additional help. I'm so happy. You know what I'm not happy with is the way my hair color is washing out. I must apologize for this very weird hair color that I'm putting in your face. But, wow, I'm so impressed so far. Mocha, gorgeous. Cafe Mocha, maybe even better. Okay, on to the Russian Red. Oh boy, this is the lip color that everyone asks me about. Every single time I put up a video and I am wearing this lipstick, I guarantee you at least 3 comments. What is this lipstick? So here we go. Here's my old MAC Russian Red. And look, it's kind of weirdly wearing, it's like lumpy. I don't know what happened to this one, but it's wearing kind of lumpy. It's not as smooth. And maybe that's why they reformulated it, because it was wearing lumpy, and it really shouldn't. Everybody knows it shouldn't. Are you ready to see what a transformative red lipstick this is? Because when I say transformative, I mean, just look at me in my little neutral lacy top here, looking absolutely normal. But when I put this on, I'm so glamorous. Ready? Old Russian red on this side, reformulated Russian red on this side. How am I going to cover this? Let's use my wallet. Okay. Look at that. So beautiful. So glamorous. It turned this absolutely boring oatmeal shirt into something glamorous. And here's my natural lip color here. Here, let's get the lighting right. I can't see with this eye. This is my bad eye, so I don't know what you're looking at here. You're just going to guess that it's correct? Okay. Glamour. Invisible. Unpolished. Pajama town. Ooh, glamour. I love Russian red. Okay, now we're going to try the new one. Reformulated. That means creamier, just like the others. Boy, I'm excited. Okay, mostly the difference you're going to see here is that my lips are very crooked, and with red lipstick, it becomes very apparent. I'll try to even them out. There we go. Okay, same thing. The color is very much the same. But once again, the reformulated side, creamier, glowier. I love it. It feels awesome. Russian red, yo. There it is. So happy. So happy with these new formulations. I thought I was going to be disappointed because you know what happens when you fall in love with something? They discontinue it. Not just MAC, but anybody. Trader Joe's, whoever. Everybody does it. Why? Why? Because life isn't fair. Life is not meant to be fair. Life is meant to be fun, and life is meant to be dynamic, but it's not meant to be fair. So, luckily, in some cases, when they change your favorite thing, sometimes it's okay. And sometimes you can just move forward and it's actually okay. And I'm okay. I'm so okay. I love these. Would you like to see the Spice lip liner before we go? This is going to be hard to remove. If I can remove this, you will see the Spice lip liner. Oh, my poor lips are so irritated. And there's probably even some Russian red left at the corners. I don't know. Okay, my poor irritated lips would like to show you this Spice lip pencil, okay? Okay, so with lip pencil, yeah, there's remnants of lipstick. Just ignore that because this pencil is going to cover it. Okay, here we go. I go around the edges first. I never said I was a makeup artist. So I try to even out the shape of my lips first, and then I give it some coloring in. Doesn't have to be perfect. It's already a pretty color, but it's very dry. It's just a lip liner. So over this, I like to put a lip gloss, and I like this Buxom Plump Shot lip gloss in Dolly Babe. I don't like any of those words, but I love this lip gloss. So even though my lips are a little irritated, I think you can see this color. It's like a warm, light brick. And I like that for its long wearing properties. And, you know, sometimes when I want a red that's not red like Russian red, I'll wear this lip liner. If I want something that's redder than Mocha, but not red like Russian red, I'll wear this Spice lip pencil. And this is a good place to end this. I hope you had fun. I had so much fun, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy with these new formulations from MAC. I've always been a big fan of MAC lipsticks, and I can't wait to try more, but these are my favorites. And now I have brand new sticks to go through, so I don't know when I'll try new colors. If you have something you want me to try, put it in the comments below. If you like this kind of casual makeup try-on video, then I have more of those right here. And if you like these kinds of videos, you could always become a member of this channel, and that really helps support me making these videos for you. I'll see you soon.